Let's talk about hard-facing cobots for a minute.
So what we have today is an excavator ripper. Shout out to our dear friend from Rush Contractors for loaning us this tooling. Here is a quick preview on what the ripper looked like before. And here I spent a decent amount of time removing dirt, rust, and debris off the surface and prepping it for hard facing later. This setup, our CR7A Cobot, is mounted on a magnetic base, which gives us great mobility for repositioning it. We first start off on putting straight lines in 2-inch spacing. Here I'm going to speed the video up a little bit. Hard facing is essentially welding, but instead of joining two pieces together, we apply a tougher, hard-wearing alloy onto a softer or worn surface to extend its service life. The technique is used extensively in heavy equipment such as loader buckets, excavator digging buckets, crusher parts, and earth moving tools, where wear and tear can quickly degrade performance. And another close-up shot on the bead we just welded. Hey guys, thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comments down below. I promised Rand from Rush Contractors they will weld their logos onto the tooling as well, so here we go. Next, we rotated the ripper to access the other side. Because of the curvature, we started welding at a horizontal position and then transitioned into a flat weld. Here is a quick snapshot on the results. I'm going to skip the parts of welding the other two sides and fast forward to the final result. Here you can see the ripper has come a long way, from worn out to fully armored. Thanks again for watching guys. Contact us today to learn more. Let us place a Cobot in your toolbox.